I'm aware that you want to earn money online and earn up to $500 online just by doing. I will be sharing with you in this video. I'm going to share with you basically 3 major websites that you can actually use to make money online in 2022. So all you have to do is sit tight and open up your eyes and ears so you hear me, so that you things work. Now this website I'm about to show you, all you have to do is you just have to sign up, and the registration is absolutely free. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3 websites which I will be sharing with you today. Now one of the websites. All right, so let's dive right in. Before we move in, please do well to like the video and subscribe for more make money online ideas. The first website, this is the first website, and the first website is called. Stay tuned while watching this video, because somewhere in this video I'm going to show you why some of these websites are more important and why others less important. Now one of the other two my top best pick to ensure that you stay with me. All right, so with Upvoice, what you basically do, you browse regularly and earn gift cards. I believe you might have heard about gift cards. In case you don't know about gift cards, this is what gift cards look like. I believe you might have heard about Amazon gift card, Walmart gift cards, and PayPal gift cards, and so on. This website will enable you to earn gift cards without doing major tasks. All you have to do is to make use of your social media platform. Now, if you have a social media platform, then this is actually for you. Now, you might be asking, how exactly does this thing work? It's very simple. The first thing you need to do, you have to install it. Now, after you've done the installation, you sign up, you install the Upvoice browser extension on the Chrome browser, and understand that it is actually safe and easy to use. So all you have to do, the first step is you install. So once you've installed it, you sign up. So once you've been putting your email and password, once you've done that, you are going to have an opportunity to earn money. Now number 2 is, after you've signed up and after you've installed the Chrome extension, which is the Upvoice Chrome extension, all you have to do is you visit their support social media platform that you love. So anytime you visit their support social media platform, you get paid. Right now, they said as you browse, Upvoice anonymously captures the ads and give you daily points that can be redeemed for gift card. Now you may be asking, how this website making the money that they are using to pay you? They actually make, right? So they will be placing ads when you go to their social media platform, and by so doing, you are going to earn points. So once you earn daily points, you can redeem those points for gift card. Let's check more on how this website and why it is very nice. He said, why should you join this Upvoice website? He said, as a member of the Upvoice research community, the data you share makes everyone's browsing experience better. You can have a direct influence on how big brands advertise, and all you have to do is browse normally. That's what Upvoice is all about. In other words, you don't have to do any special work. You can be a beginner and still make money with this website. What they're saying is, you basically just browse. What you do, browse normally, and you agree. So these are some of the reviews gotten from users. As you can see, these are 5 stars, which could make it really work. And the good thing about it is all your identity remain private as well, in case you bothered about that. Now you can go to different levels. So these are the reward sessions and so on. So that's number 1. Now ensure you stay tuned for number 3, why I take you to the number 2. Please, if you've not liked the video, can you please do that right now? Now the number 2 website is called brave.com. I don't know how many of you know about this website. This brave.com website is just like Google. It's just like your browsing is a web on its own, right? Just like Microsoft, Google, and Yahoo, right? So basically, all you have to do is you download this Brave into your Windows. So for those of you who love politics, those of you who love entertainment, this might be a topic for you, right? The reason is you are going to earn money just by browsing with the website. So if you have a research that you are doing, if in case you have research that you are doing, this might be the website you might want to use. So they said it browse faster, load pages 3 times to 6 times faster. It said watch Brave in action head to against Chrome, and so on. So you can watch this video right here. Now they're trying to this video is trying to compare between the brave.com browser, between the Chrome and the Firefox. So you might want to check that out as well. Remember to stay tuned for the last one. Subscribe to the channel for more make money online idea. All right, so they also said that you will experience unparalleled privacy and security. So it's something that you might not be bothered about. So what are the basic features? Now the basic features are these: you have shield, sidebars, Brave firewall, and VPN. For those of you who are in the countries where you want to do something but you like your identity, your location, then this might be a good browser for you, right? So they said the security is intact and so on, so you can change whatever you want to change, and you can browse, and it has extensions and plugin feature. And the most important thing is you get paid whenever you use brave.com. You earn rewards, right? So they said, how do you earn with brave.com? How do you make money with brave.com? Number one is you earn money by viewing private ads, and they said tip your favorite creators, contribute monthly to sites. So for those of you who love stories, this number might be for you. Also contribute to websites, verify with upload and move funds in and out of your wallet. You might not need this, but in case you get in, you are interested in this, fine. It will increase your chances of earning, but this one is not compulsory. And it said become a verified creator and start earning bats from tips, contribute, and referrals, right? So these are the top ways that you can actually from brave.com. Now there's so many ways that you can actually do this. All you have to do is go to the website and check it out and see if it's something you might love. Now the number three website is like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm just kidding. Please, it will support this video if you can do that as well. The last one here on the list is called qme.com. qme.com is a simple survey website that simply pays you for completing survey. Now you don't have to do the big tax in order for you to make money, right? So you can earn cash by completing surveys anytime and anywhere in the world. So you might be watching movies on your television and you have your mobile phone on your hand. You can be doing some of these surveys and you get paid just by doing simple stuff. They said you share your opinions on brands and see your earnings grow daily. Now basically how this website make money is people come to this website to test their product, right? So you are part of the people who are helping this website to test their product. So for instance, an advertiser can come to this website and pay this particular website a $10 for testing a particular product. Now this website can pay you like within 50 cents to $4 for just testing out one particular product. And the good thing is you can test about multiple products, do complete multiple surveys, answer questions, and you get paid. Now these are the top three ways you can make money. How to answer, and that comes through survey. They said businesses want to know your opinion and they want to pay you for it. Not points, not swag, but cash. What they're saying is they really want to pay you in cash, and believe me, they are going to pay you, but not like in cash, in hard cash, but they are going to pay you by a wire transfer. Now another one is, it said earn cash back on great product and enjoy your wallet being a little bigger at the end of the month. Now the last one is find deals on the biggest brands around, or just let us show you ones you like, and that's exactly how you make money. And you can see that on Trustpilot this is actually ranking is being rated very, very high which means it's actually paying. So you can go ahead and check out these you can check out this particular website, these 3 websites, to know if anyone best suits you, right? So you basically choose the one that best suits you, right, and you go for it, right? So I want you to do your personal research on them as well, in order for you to to be on the best path, for you to make the right decision. Make sure you like the video for more content on how you can make legitimate money online, even as a complete beginner. You can make passive income consistently at the comfort of your home with your smartphone or with your PC. Watch the videos on the end screen if you want to learn how to make money